How tattoos affect your skin, myths and facts. Tattoos have become a widely accepted form of self-expression. Yet, there are still many misunderstandings about how they affect our skin. In this video, we will explore some common myths and the facts behind them. Myth 1. Tattoos are permanent and irreversible. Many believe that tattoos are permanent. However, while the ink can last a long time, it is not entirely irreversible. The skin naturally sheds and regenerates. While complete removal can be challenging, there are laser removal treatments available that can significantly fade or even eliminate a tattoo. Fact: tattoos are a wound. When you get a tattoo, you're essentially creating a wound on your skin. The tattoo needle punctures the skin to deposit ink, causing inflammation. This triggers your body's healing response. Initially, your skin may look red and swollen, but as it heals, it should return to normal. Proper aftercare is essential to promote healing and minimize complications. Myth 2. Tattoos are unsafe and cause infection. There's a prevalent belief that all tattoos lead to infections. While there is a risk of infection if proper hygiene protocols aren't followed, professional tattoo artists maintain hygiene through sterilization techniques, using new needles, and following health regulations. It's crucial to choose a reputable artist and studio. Fact: allergic reactions can occur. Though many people get tattoos without any issues, some may experience allergic reactions to certain ink pigments, especially vibrant colors. Symptoms might include itching, redness, or rash. If you know you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergies, it's wise to do a patch test before going for the full tattoo. Myth 3. Tattoos affect skin health long-term. A common myth is that tattoos can damage skin health over time. In reality, as long as the tattoo is done correctly and with proper care, it shouldn't adversely affect your skin's health. However, if a tattoo becomes faded or loses its sharpness due to sun exposure or aging, it may appear less appealing. Fact: sun protection is crucial. Tattoos can be susceptible to sun damage, leading to faded colors. UV rays break down the ink and can cause skin irritation. It's important to apply sunscreen to your tattoos whenever you're outside, especially during the summer. Myth 4. Tattoos are only for young people. This is an outdated notion. People of all ages are getting inked, and it's becoming more common among older adults. Tattoos can represent personal stories, milestones, or simply be a form of art appreciated at any age. Fact: tattoos can change with age. As we age, our skin undergoes natural changes, including loss of elasticity and collagen. This can affect the appearance of tattoos. They may stretch or blur over time, so it's vital to consider placement and size to accommodate these eventual changes. Myth 5. All tattoo inks are the same. Not all tattoo inks are created equal. Different brands use various ingredients, and some may include harmful substances. It's essential to do research on the inks used by your chosen tattoo artist. Ask about the type of ink they use and whether it's been tested for safety. Conclusion: tattoos can be a beautiful form of self-expression, but understanding how they affect your skin is crucial. Dispel the myths and embrace the facts to make informed decisions about your tattoo journey. Always consult with a professional artist, maintain good skincare, and ensure you are fully knowledgeable about what to expect. Remember, a tattoo is not just ink, it's a story etched into your skin. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.